Download the app by searching for Aria for Home app on your phone's App Store. You can also scan the QR code on the quick start guide that comes in the box. Don't forget to turn your phone's Bluetooth and Wi-Fi on. Once turned on, open the app. You must give the app permission to use your Bluetooth, location, and storage so it can function correctly. Create an account so you can pair your device. Remember, if your Wi-Fi has a 2.4, or 2G network at the end, connect to that. If there are no 2G options, connect to what's available. Make sure the device and heater are on the same network for credentialing. Once an account is created and connected to Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, turn on your heater by pressing the power button in the center of the unit. Once the heater is turned on, the ring should be blinking red. If not, press the Wi-Fi button. If your ring is blue before credentialing your heater, press the Wi-Fi button until blinking red. Once the ring is blinking red, go on your app and click Add Device or the plus button. A pop-up will appear on your device being asked to be added. Press Go to Add and follow the in-app instructions to complete the credentialing process. After successfully credentialing the device, the ring should be blue. You are now ready to control your heater with the Aria for Home app.